빨리 시키자, 아리샤.
Hey guys, we're back, and today we're gonna eat sushi. 나 북 조금 읽고 싶어. I love Harry Potter. I have the whole series of them. My favorite sushi. What's my favorite?
리아야, 책 읽자, 엄마 그만.
123. Bookmark it with something.
Okay, I will make it doggy ear. 1, 2, 3 seconds to remember.
I know. 1, 2, 3. But if I forget, just tell me.
아, 아리, 리아, 이거. 간장, 아리.
Oh, this.
아리, 이거 저쪽으로 놔.
Do they have wasabi in here? Just to make sure, let's cut it in half to see if they have wasabi in the right.
많이 먹어.
No wasabi, so it's safe for us to eat. And some soy sauce. How is it? It's good.
Good?
Why are these so small? I want to try the orange egg. That's good. Only maybe these are from a dinosaur a long time ago. They're from fish, right? Doesy, Mom? Maybe they are. The eggs are from fish. Wait. And I'm going to eat this cute little backflip fish. It's good. I'm good. I'll give it a thumbs up. Let's try the white one. I'll give this one a thumbs up. Really? Yeah, it's good. I taste it. It tastes like fish. Because it's fish. The sushi over here, it's really chewy, and the pink part over there kind of tastes like this one, but it's over here. And the rice, it doesn't have any wasabi in it, and the rice is better than usual. You eat this one? I'll give that one a thumbs up. Ooh, what's this? Look at this. Look at this new one I found. Dad gave it to me. Oh, this is tuna's albacore? What's an albacore? This little thing on the neck. How do you know that? Because the skin kind of. That's the skin. Oh, that's soft. It melts in your mouth as soon as you eat it, and it's better with soy sauce. That's good. I'll give it a 3 thumbs up. I'm going to try this. It looks chewy. I'll give it a 3 thumbs up. That one's like steak. At first, when you begin to chew it, it tastes like nothing, but it's chewy. And then a little bit later, it kind of tastes like meat. I'm going to give this one 10 thumbs up. Now for the last one, and taste it. And look at this. This is scalp, right? It looks really chewy and tangy. I ate that tangy. My favorite one so far is the one I just ate right now. Not the scalp, the sushi. Let's try the red one now. I taste. There's so much sushi. It's like bloody red. It looks tangy too, and it has a little white stripe on it. Like you flip it over and then you grab it. Yeah, but orange one for the Ari. Oh! Fill my faces. Oh my! Oysters! Jinx! 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 These are oysters. You can't talk. Oh, it looks good. Oh, that's a pearl. Move. See? Dad, I think I have pearl over there. Looks like a pearl. Oh, the shell's beautiful. Look at it. It's all bumpy and pearly. Okay, is there any more food? It's just coming out. What is your favorite sushi so far? Comment down below, right? What's your favorite? Alright, tell me. What's your favorite sushi? The orange. The orange one?
Salmon.
Oh my, they look good. Wow! Wow. 근데 you can't eat these.
I think this brand one is a spicy sauce. Okay, so once you try,
that one has avocado
first. And if it's too spicy, then you
이거 뭐야? 맛있어.
try this.
It has jalapeno sauce in it. It has jalapeno sauce in it. See? It has jalapeno sauce all over it. What is it then? It's little eggs from dinosaurs. Don't eat them. Look at this. Don't eat mystery. Don't eat the dinosaur eggs. Look right there.
튜나야.
Wait, tuna eggs?
나올 거야 이거. Yeah, the 튜나가 조금.
I don't want to eat that.
I mean,
these are all adults. These are all for adults. 나 저거 안 먹어.
It's okay, 근데 나한테 super spicy.
First this, that, pop, pop. Let's do the Mukbang channel dance. We do that. Wow.
Thank you.
Look at that. I think I want this one. Those are eggs, and those are some kind of mayonnaise sauce. And there's another type of brown sauce over here, and this fried sushi, and there are some rolls on the bottom of it. They're good. Mango salad. Mangoes. Honey, look, there's a little ball. Let's try this thing. It's fried stuff.
You want to try this? Leah card salad?
Okay. That's fried shrimp. That's Leah fried chicken. Let's try the crab salad. Looks good. Smells good. I want to eat the mango. No, the mango tastes good. It's good. I'll give it a 1 thumbs up. I'll try one of these rolls. I'm just showing them the roll. I'm going to eat this one. It has a little... that's good.
Sweet and
Let's try that. I'm going to get that roll. Wow, it's really hard to grab. Okay, I'm going to eat this whole thing in 1 bite in. Oh my god, the rice is falling off. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Oh. 1. That's good. It's a little bit spicy, but it's spicy enough to eat. I got a piece of cake. But it's spicy. I want to taste this one. This one, yeah. This one. Yeah. My god, that was spicy. That's good though. That's good. Oh. It has jalapeno sauce on it. Really? Oh, that's why it was spicy. I'm gonna eat this whole in 3. How should I fit this in my mouth? Cut it in 2 pieces. Oh. Maybe you should bye. Step by step. Everybody, I'm going to eat a door right now. This is a door.
다시 먹을 거야? 요식임질 하는 것도 아니고.
That's it.
맛있어?
For these two, even though this is spicy, for these two, I'll give it a 10 thumbs up. They're good. I'll give it a 100 thumbs up. Once I hated these. I hated these once. So far, so good. Queen of eating. Wow. There's a lot of food on this table. How are we going to finish all it? I don't know. Maybe a queen has to eat it.
This is Ari's bed.
No, it's not. I like that raw white volcano. Tangy. Isn't that beautiful? The clouds are moving. Why would some people refuse to eat? Eating is the best thing. Oh, this is the queen. You have to eat that thing. No, I'm not. Let's see right. Wow, bloody red moons. 1, 2, 3. he like put the sushi in his mouth and he was like middle and he put it in his mouth like a tongue. Wow, he's smart. Bloody moon. Apa 여기 wasabi 있어? 탱님. Your tongue's really long, Mr. Ari. 나 어째 배불러져. 근데 나 이만큼 더 먹을 수 있어. Wow, I'm full. I need just 1 minute to recharge. 박니.
알았어, 안 할게.
와, 이거 뭐야? 예쁘다. 여긴 this part's white and this part's red. Is it a lobster tail? It looks hard. 이거 너무 예쁘다. A weird texture. Do you know what this is? This kind of looks gross, but I'll try it. Wow. What is it?
아, 불이 나와, 불이. 물.
Let's try the octopus sushi. I want to try the little one. I'll give it 1.5 thumbs up. And, it's good, but at the end, 쓴맛이 나. 쓴맛. A little bit of soy sauce. I like the octopus the best. What are these? 맛있겠다. 이거 뭐야? 잘 먹겠습니다. Okay, so today was a fun sushi moment, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Bye, bye, bye! Oh, Gio! You go out first.
찍지 마세요. 찍지 마세요. 카메라 치우세요.